Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Mukherjee, civil engineering pass out 1986. Work experience above 30 years. Now I am discuss prevalent schedule of rates. Prevalent schedule of rates. Part 5. Part 6. Part 5. I discuss my previous video painting and varnish. Painting and varnish. Part 5 discussed in my previous video. Now discuss part 6. Prevalent schedule of rates. Water supply works. Water supply works. Number 1. Supplying, fitting and fixing GI pipe, including cost of clamps, etc. as necessary, including cutting piece, making threads, fitting, fixing, etc. complete. Supplying, fitting and fixing GI pipe, including cost of clamps, etc. as necessary, including cutting piece, cutting pipes, making threads, fitting, fixing, etc. complete. A. For above ground level. For above ground level. Number 1. 12 mm dia ITC make medium quality. 12 mm dia ITC make medium quality per running meter length. Per running meter length. Number 2. 20 mm dia ITC make medium quality. 20 mm dia ITC make medium quality per running meter length. Per running meter length. Number 3. 25 mm dia. 25 mm dia ITC make medium quality per running meter rate. Per running meter rate. Number 4. 32 mm dia. 32 mm dia ITC make medium quality per running meter rate. Per running meter rate. You are also check latest PWD, CPWD schedule of rate chart for rate analysis purpose. Number 2. Supplying GI tank with galvanized iron sheet with 450 mm dia CI raised locking cover and 50 mm clearing flanges and flap. Supplying GI tank with galvanized iron sheet with 450 mm dia CI raised locking cover and 50 mm cleaning flange and flap. A. With 14 gauge GI sheet. With 14 gauge GI sheet. Number 1. 1812 liters capacity. 1812 liters capacity per each rate. Number 2. 1364 liter capacity. 1364 liter capacity per each rate. 14 gauge GI sheet. B. With 16 gauge GI sheet. 16 gauge GI sheet. Number 1. 908 liters capacity. 908 liters capacity per each rate. Number 2. 540 liter capacity. 540 liter capacity per each rate. Number 3. Supplying, fitting and fixing brass schedule, including connection with GI pipe of ITC make up to 45 cm long with screw jam knob socket. Jam nut socket, etc. Complete in all respects. Supplying, fitting and fixing brush schedule, including connection with GI pipe of ITC make up to 45 cm long with screw, jam nut, socket, etc. Complete in all respects. A 25 mm dia, B 20 mm dia, C 15 mm dia. A 25 mm dia, B 20 mm dia, C 15 mm dia per each rate. Number 4. Supplying, fitting and fixing wheel valve gunmetal tested to 21 kg per square centimeter. Supplying, fitting and fixing wheel valve gunmetal tested to 21 kg per square centimeter. A 32 mm dia, B 25 mm dia, C 20 mm dia. A 32 mm dia, B 25 mm dia, C 20 mm dia. Rate each per each. Rate per each piece. Number 5. Supplying, fitting and fixing check valve article GM tested to 21 kg per square centimeter. Supplying, fitting and fixing check valve article GM tested to 21 kg per centimeter. A 32 mm dia, B 25 mm dia, C 20 mm dia. A 32 mm dia, B 25 mm dia, C 20 mm dia. Rate per piece wise. Number 6. Supplying, fitting and fixing stopcock, beefcock tested to 21 kg per square centimeter. Supplying, fitting and fixing stopcock, beefcock tested to 21 kg per square centimeter. A gunmetal. Number 1 15 mm, number 2 20 mm, number 3 25 mm dia. A gunmetal. Number 1 15 mm dia, number 2 20 mm dia, number 3 25 mm dia. Per running meter rate, per piece rate. B chromium plated CP, B chromium plated CP. A 15 mm dia, number 2 20 mm dia, number 3 25 mm dia. Number 1 15 mm dia, number 2 20 mm dia, number 3 25 mm dia. Per piece rate. C alloy iron with brass spindle. Alloy iron with brass spindle. A 15 mm dia, B 20 mm dia. A 15 mm dia, B 20 mm dia. Per piece rate. Number 7. Supplying, fitting and fixing shower rose. Supplying, fitting and fixing shower rose. A chromium plated. Number 1 15 mm into 125 mm. 15 mm into 125 mm. Chromium plate. Per piece rate. Number 2 20 mm into 160 mm. Number 2 20 mm into 160 mm. Chromium plate. Per piece rate. B porcelain octagonal shower rose. Porcelain octagonal shower rose. 15 mm into 125 mm. 15 mm into 125 mm. Per piece rate. You are also check the latest PWD, CPWD, public work schedule rate chart, latest modify for analysis purpose. Now I finish my video. Next video I discuss sanitary work. Prevalent schedule of rate. Next video I discuss sanitary work. Now I am requested, if you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.